Ethereum value equivalent to 35,550 rands a coin. The present cost range, 34,932 to 35,685. The earlier day close, 35,214. The change was plus 336, plus 0.95%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 32,439 rands, high 34,710, low 30,168. Ethereum estimate on Monday, April 24, cost 32,706 rands, high 34,995, low 30,417. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 32,394 rands, high 34,662, low 30,126. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost 32,902 rands, high 35,205, low 30,599. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 32,112 rands, high 34,360, low 29,864. Ethereum figure on Friday, April 28, cost 33,548 rands, high 35,896, low 31,200. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 35,000 rands, high 37,450, low 32,550. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost 36,097 rands, high 38,624, low 33,570. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 35,625 rands, high 38,119, low 33,131. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 4, cost 37,022 rands, high 39,614, low 34,430. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 37,496 rands, high 40,121, low 34,871. Ethereum figure on Monday, May 8, cost 37,393 rands, high 40,011, low 34,775. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 37,306 rands, high 39,917, low 34,695. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 36,513 rands, high 39,069, low 33,957. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 36,678 rands, high 39,245, low 34,111. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 38,158 rands, high 40,829, low 35,487. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 37,775 rands, high 40,419, low 35,131. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 37,555 rands, high 40,184, low 34,926. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 37,672 rands, high 40,309, low 35,035. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 37,998 rands, high 40,658, low 35,338. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 37,321 rands, high 39,933, low 34,709. Ethereum figure on Monday, May 22, cost 37,863 rands, high 40,513, low 35,213. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 32,390 rands, excessive cost 39,642. While low cost 29,864. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,861. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 33,548. Change for April 3.6%. Ethereum figure for May 2023. Before all else cost at 33,548 rands, excessive cost 41,932, while low cost 29,699. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,278. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 31,934, change for May 4.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 31,934 rands, exorbitant cost 37,692, while low cost 31,934. They found the middle value of cost 34,197. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 35,226, change for June 10.3%. Ethereum gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 35,226 rands, exorbitant cost 40,158, while low cost 34,904. They found the middle value of cost 36,955. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 37,531, change for July 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 37,531 rands, exorbitant cost 46,584, while low cost 37,531. They found the middle value of cost 41,296. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 43,536, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 43,536 rands, exorbitant cost 43,536, while low cost 37,028. They found the middle value of cost 40,979. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 39,815, change for September 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 39,815 rands, excessive cost 39,815, while low cost 31,104. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,045. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 33,445, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 33,445 rands, excessive cost 41,512, while low cost 33,445. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,800. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 38,796, change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 38,796 rands, excessive cost 38,796, while low cost 32,739. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,384. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end